All right, just got my rack for the one bike that I have. All right, we're gonna get it instructions out. Everything's well secure. It's about 25 pounds the box. All right, so we're gonna set this up. But look at this. Out of the box is, I like the color, beautiful. All right, so we're gonna start setting this up. All right, and we'll start with the main part here. It's a new 2-inch. All right, we're gonna put it in here, and it's much easier when you do it on first, right? Now that we established this part right here, we're gonna set this up, and it's gonna be facing down. See these two pins? They have to go in here. I'm gonna take it off so you guys can see it, how big it is. Wait to find the right one for this one. And this is hold on to the nut. This is gonna go on the top, so it has to be this way here. So I got this is gonna be about a 16 millimeter, all right, 16 millimeter short. All right, here's one of the most critical parts that you need to install. So we have these right here that you have to slide them in. Slide them in from here, all right, all the way to wherever you want. This is the top, the end of it, right? So you want to pass that. You want to make sure your balance is out completely. And what you want to do is you could either have it either way, either direction where you want the wheels to be on, right? That thing ain't going nowhere. All right, for the last part, it's gonna be this one right here. It's the 19 millimeters. We're gonna take it out. All right. All right, let's take a look at the ramp. This is for one single bike. The most sturdiest ramp I ever owned. They make it for 3 and 2 bikes. It could weigh up to 300 pounds on this. Very reliable. It won't rattle too much in the freeway because everything's well secure, including the necktie here, the tire tie here with the extra brace, and then you have this one here too, the ramp to tie it down. This could be either in the front of the tire or in the back, depending on the size of the tire. This depending on the bike, because this bike is a large bike. It's a mountain bike. We're gonna try a little e-bike too, also, so you guys can see the big difference on it. But very reliable, easy to set up, easy to put away, and you could keep it in your car. And I'm gonna show you a couple of ways you could maintain this and fold it after. So this is a large bike. Let's try a smaller bike, an e-bike. So we're gonna try our bike. All right, no matter what size of bike you have, it's gonna work for either or. If you guys can see, this is my favorite part because this is where it hangs on to the entire thing. One of the most reliable stands I've owned. This could be for 3 or 2 bikes, but this one's particularly for one bike, but they make for different types of models. Best part of it is this necktie here. Bikes wheels are both well secure. This thing's adjustable, like I said. This bike weighs more than the actual mountain bike that I just demonstrated. It's about almost the same size, heavy weight. So, but it accommodates smaller e-bikes or larger e-bikes. All right, I'm gonna demonstrate how to fold this back. All right. All right, folding it, there is a bar in the middle here that you need to grab onto it. Take out this pin, all right? All you got to do is pick it up from anywhere. And then you're gonna have to find the pin, all right? It's very secure. You go open the top. You might hit the bottom, but if you want to open the bottom, you can always remove this part. All right, so this thing, very tight here. If you guys can see the corners, really tight. Nothing sticks out. You could turn this around anywhere you want. It doesn't have to be this direction, but it pretty much maintains everything really close to the car. You don't have to worry about hitting other vehicles or not fitting in parkings. This stretches out just a little bit, enough where any vehicle can fit on any parking lot, if you guys can see. Now, this you could take off as an option if you want to open the back of the door. Pull secure. Gives you another peace of mind of safety first. Very simple and easy to take off too.